There's nothing quite like a home-cooked meal or a freshly baked pan of brownies. But cooking and baking often come with unpleasant surprises like grease splatters or strong odors you don't necessarily want lingering around your home. There are different ways of mounting them, different vent types, and varying airflow capacities. Many even have different fan speed settings, which can make it challenging to know which is the best range hood for you. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 range hoods on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Broan New Tone 413004 Range Hood. For a budget-friendly range hood that won't break the bank, consider this ductless option from Broan. It's designed as an under-cabinet hood and includes a charcoal filter to clean the recirculated air. This is a stainless steel hood with 2 rocker switches. One switch controls the 2-speed fan, which can be set to high or low speed. The second switch turns the light on or off, but take note that you'll need to buy your own 75-watt light bulb separately to use this switch. The hood's motor comes lubricated from the manufacturer, so you won't need to worry about an extra step before installing. Take note that you can either install the hood with hard wiring or operate it with a power cord. However, the power cord does not come with the range hood, so you'll need to buy that separately. Dimensions: 30 by 6 by 17.5 inches mount type, under cabinet airflow capacity, not listed. Number 2. Cosmo CAS 63175S Wall Mount Range Hood. This range hood from Cosmo is our overall pick for the best range hood for a few reasons. It has a good airflow capacity of 380 cfm, cubic feet per minute, which indicates how much air a range hood can handle each minute, and it's ducted so it vents odors and cooking grease outside your house. If you'd prefer a ductless option, though, the range hood can accommodate that with a carbon filter kit, but that's sold separately. The hood comes with permanent filters that can be popped right into the dishwasher for cleaning. The LED light is an energy-efficient pick that will illuminate your stovetop, which is especially handy if it's tucked into a dim corner of the kitchen. The wall-mounted hood comes with a 3-year limited warranty on parts, which offers some peace of mind. We also like that the price is on the lower end of the average range. Number 3. Houselane 30 inches PS18 Range Hood. If you're a bit short on space and have cabinets above your stove, this is the best range hood. It mounts directly beneath your kitchen cabinets and has an airflow capacity of 500 cfm to remove cooking odors and smoke. It's an externally vented hood but includes ducting options in 3 sizes to ensure it connects with your home's current duct system. The LED lights can be changed out to achieve brighter or softer light, depending on your preferences. You can also choose fan speed and air suction level with 6 different settings. And the hood comes in stainless steel, black, or white to fit with any type of color scheme in your kitchen. The digital display includes touchscreen operation but doesn't have a screen lock for easy cleaning. It also includes a clock and a delayed, automatic option for shutting the fan off after a certain time so you can set it and forget it. Number 4. Cosmo 668 CS 750 30 inches Range Hood. This is the best range hood for smaller spaces because of its intentionally slim profile. Its airflow capacity is slightly lower at 220 cfm, but the space-saving design makes up for that. If your apartment or condo has a small kitchen, this will fit right in. The hood has push-button controls to operate the 3-speed fan and its 2 LED lights. This is an externally vented model, so it will need to be hooked up to your ductwork. However, if you'd rather skip that step, you can purchase a separate kit to convert it to a ductless range hood instead. Noise levels start at around 50 decibels, although that's with certain conditions met, like using the lowest fan setting and purchasing rigid ductwork separately. If you're hoping for a quieter operation, know that you may need to pay a bit more money to upgrade ductwork for this range hood. Number 5. Fotile JQG 7501.G 30 inches Range Hood. We chose this model as the best wall-mounted range hood because of its quiet operation and 850 cfm airflow capacity. With 2 fans, it's a more powerful range hood in terms of air movement. It also includes 3 fan speeds and a delay option that automatically turns off the fans after you finish up in the kitchen. The touchscreen controls offer a locking option, which allows you to wipe down the surface of the controls after cooking something especially greasy without worrying that you'll accidentally change the settings. It also has a detachable filter that can go into the dishwasher to be cleaned. The LED lights will create a nice, bright cooking area so you can easily spot the exact moment when your morning bacon is perfectly cooked. The range hood is designed with an overly large surface area to ensure your entire stove sits beneath it for better airflow. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.